So anything where you see them I say, I clout them I look. Fucking clout chaser them. Hmm? The amount of things where Angel say about blood clot Chris Howell. Me that thing say, every time Chris Howell come here, Angel ready for go away, you know. Packer ready for go away, you know. And she and Chris come from Spanish Town and Gangu. The Angel now want to see them. And me have to keep the peace in the background, yo. And Chris Howell are you to me rate Chris Howell, dog. And if you notice not even him not to come back, he not come back round. Because the tension start build. Me don't know what they have. Angel claim the two of them not like her through a she break out for Spanish Town. And me I say, chill, dog. Chill. Me could do music. The thing I work. What you want me to come tell life on Ganguli? So boy, a thief Ganguli come and thief me money. And this Ganguli do. No. Because a blood clot Angel, everyone I artist them talk to me. I tell you that. Because of she, every one of them, because they say me I focus on she the most. But I know that me I do. I she the people them I push. So me cannot be stupid. I she them a push. So me have to work like a VP them and understand the algorithm. Me I say if a Angel the people them want, me have to give them Angel. Who no come no dog. Just forward, dog. So they never get it, dog. So they come up with other stuff. They say, boy, rare. Angel, the people, they just love the chemistry. And you notice, none of them never a team up to push Angel. Me sacrifice. Me blood clot fights them. The Angel. The day when me make some say me I go watch it, me I talk to our youth spot and you me there push him to say, yo, me I go train you where you can't be my manager. Not train you. Me I show you the industry, make it when the people then call me, you're rare. But Angel them figure out that youth and things that the youth a billionaire, which he really is. So what them start do now, all of them jump ship from Khago and jump to that man. That's it. When me I go watch it, me tell the man say, me and Angel I go watch it. And me tell Angel, no fi bring nobody. The man say, yes, me tell Angel that too. And by the time I reach on watch it, Angel do what she do. Me call the man and say, you know, say Angel this or Angel that or rare. This is what she do. And the man upset. And the man hang up in phone and say, me I go call Angel. And when he say, me I go call Angel, he don't talk back to me till today. Dear, my Angel, vex with blood clot me. Because Angel have a pussy and me no have none. And me know say, a Khagonians and God Almighty a boss me. I never Angel learn no boy and the money. If all of them come and then see me car and through then think say that man buy. No, I me buy me car myself. So all of them say jump blood clot ship and that man they run gone. You understand? All of them jump ship. That man. That is the thing. Where you see the whole of them now. So through that man have his money, can send them go to go suck all on, go suck out in the moment. I can't do cargo carry a blood clot, nothing. Angel and no money, boss me. No boy. Not do that for me. A manager never buy me a blood clot car yet. And one thing that man is in buy one Gucci boots and come give me and a one blood clot time me wear it. I see it up there so. Any little youth who want boot value 300,000 Jamaican, me can't give it to you. You understand? A Khago the man. All on a blood clot fight for be the done for my a Khago the man. Khago. I me come shape this after Garnet Silk. Uno some blood clot regret. Uno think see a money run music. A talent. And godly spirit. Angel, a godly spirit. Angel, you come sing me. I make millions. I sing, you sing me. You sing me. Me, you sing. And get your biggest blood clot song. Me, you sing. Jump your jump ship, Angel, and take away. Me now I say you take away my manager from me. Because I don't give a fuck. You always see me at work. Hold on, no, go on. Go on. Go on. And then a boy boss me. I mean hard work and sacrifice when me put down. Right, yes, sir. You understand? And that's why I'm telling you, say, artists will look man for mind them. So you hold on if you say that man rich. So you hold on no jump ship and go on. You go on with it, no man. But to not just go on and lock off Khago name. No, I find out say, and on money, it is not no blood clot money. And on money run music. And on money run music, youth. The amount of money him goodly gone on in the blood clot pit right now. And his wife I go vex. I say, look how much millions Khago make are coming. And on your blood clot team up to fight against him. You understand? I will never tell a lie for a blood clot, man. See? You see me there? You know the amount of blood clot time your Angel vex my youth. Angel is a disrespectful female, my youth. She not take talk from blood clot, man. Angel is very, very, very disrespectful. What makes say Angel do? Very disrespectful. So you know want paint one little picture like a pussy. Make you now come round. If you saw a little young female artist, Angel look at my blood clot nice. And I will paint some picture now if you saw a little female girl say, yo, are gone. Me now go up a Khago, you know, because him a go want pussy. Me is a boy when not even hardly blood clot fuck. Me hardly fuck. And that they are trying to tell you. I hardly fuck. Me are the only artist who are going to tell you, say, me no fuck you out. Just link me up right now, my boss, and get the best dub deal. Any amount of money you have, you create your own deal. You create your own deal. Don't disrespect me. I was being a brother to you. I be a brother to you. When me I show you, say, listen to me, Angel. Listen what me I say. Me I show you. If you detect my blue blood clot print, you'd have Lana St. Elizabeth. Because me I do everything for you. As a brother, me say, you listen what me I say, Angel. Me I fight for me and you, but this is what me want you do. I sacrifice and make sure say you can hold piece of land on St. Elizabeth. Forget about town, my youth. Forget about town. You can get to a nice piece of cheap land. See the people them interested in a me and you. Me and you people them interested in you. Me with you. But the people them not with you, with nobody else. But remember, Khago is a blood clot star by himself. Link me up on the number up here, so me got. Khago is a star by itself. It might slow sometime and sometime it up. But every time it up, my yo, me help on no dog. Me are the only artist at 13 years me out. From 2012. Me out. He coming like say the same time they lock up Cartel at the same time they lock down my career, my youth. And me out. And the same time Cartel come back from prison. At the same time God bless me again. I am so blessed, my youth. And same time, my youth, I did not keep this blessing for myself. Angel, me start joy you with me. Me joy you with me, youth. All of them come around and me make them make millions and you will never hear one of them say one thing, dog. We can't live with him, but it's a youth he make we make millions. We can't live with him because he's full of too much rules and too much principle. And he's a man he head easy for chip. Something where we escape with up there so Khago no run them type of joke. As soon as he lock off the internet, he gone back to Ricardo Gale. And we don't know how to deal with him. We're not too ungrateful out. So what you think, say? What you feel, say? The world don't see the good way me do? Hmm? The world not see good what me do. The world see it. Eh? Angel, listen to me. You see, I never love when me have a blood clot beanie man. Some things that you said to me about blood clot beanie man, and some things that you say about Bunty and Angel. Angel, if me favor talk it, you have to run away. You are a wicked, conniving, blood clot woman. We feel say your pussy can carry you through earth. And that you think. You hear? But Khago not frightened for blood clot gal and them crutches. Everybody know that. You no nice like blood clot Francine. You no nice like blood clot Francine Angel. That me I try to tell you. You think you're nice and clean like a Francine? And just because me love blood clot Beanie and Bunty, the amount of things that you say about them, because you think say that can conquer blood clot me. It can't conquer me. Solid as a rock. You know if you say nothing bad about me. Listen to me. The people them will never, ever blood clot forgive you again. Angel, the people them will never forgive you. Me cry tears for your youth. Me shake off the Beanie and Bunty. Ghost off of you. Me do that youth. Make you can walk around in a blood clot Jamaica and people now look for you as a blood clot harlot. Me do that youth. Me do that for you. I make millions start coming in your blood clot and you are going to sit down with Batman on TV. And no, you can't say that about Khago. That you for blood clot, say Angel. That you for say. Eh? Me there again. And a blood clot send your sister go to Western Union to collect money. And I give her $10,000. Because she has said she want to only car if you can go sell her clothes. Angel, you are a wicked blood clot girl. You are a wicked woman. And no matter how you get blood clot money, you don't get Jackie none. You are a wicked blood clot woman. You just do like, you see, when me make some Bamson, and I make sure, your sister says she want one of the little Nissan car them. When me know so 500,000-600,000 can do it. And every time money I come, me say, Jackie, give me your name, I pick up that. And you make me have to tap. You are a wicked blood clot woman. You come and sit down with blood clot, eat that boy. You go up on TV with boy, as boy up my mouth and say, if you don't have nothing, post the whole good for about Khago, don't talk. That's what you should have said. All when I check your chick them to get the interview. As that batty man up my mouth and say, Khago, you should have said, big pussy boy. Don't mention Khago name. And you make me and Deli Ranks no deal. Because of you. Everybody begs with me for you. When Deli Ranks I say, Khago, you don't know how that a blood clot girl the wicked. Me talk to Deli Ranks because of blood clot you. Me couldn't take it. Because me I said, Deli, you don't know the amount of money which part there so. And Deli can't see it. Deli I say, Khago, this a girl are wicked. And me top chat to blood clot Deli. Different little things still. But because of you. Everyone I man them when you see come around me because of she. I see you, big up yourself. Me I said to my big brother, I said, here we go on. You don't understand. The people them like this. Me in a music for make money. Right now. Me not care about where you are. When I say, Khago, that care about. And you are going to make some bumps. Say, Khago, she can't tear me in. And she make me and Deli Ranks today. Everybody come around me. And she make me and them no deal. Look, people who not see it. Every day I come on the internet. Around 6 months now, people are saying, rare, me just bill. Me bill. I bill. Every time, it can't change and then go to interblood clot view. Then go to interview, you know. And this woman don't say, no, as bad as things be, you can't disrespect Khago. You can't. Listen what I say. When you do music, youth, me not do diabolical music. I am not a vindictive person just so. Me give people the opportunity to do what they do. Now, uno gone for around 6 months, and uno thing nah work. Why uno no blood clot leave me alone? Angel, you still have your pussy. You don't have to tell people say I never hit. I did. You don't have to tell people say a pussy Khago did want. You don't have to tell people that. And you never in that. You don't have to tell people that type of sitting there. You try to demolish my career and a style. You try to draw sex allegation for me for that you try. Say. Me no fuck all woman and if me fuck you, me not there with you. That's how it work. I one big woman me love and a Francine. Nobody else. That's it. You try demonetize me thing or demonize. You demonize me thing. FBI me you come and talk about rare. Hmm? You can't say that. Don't you ever say nothing bad about me. Because me try to keep it as nice as possible. Me even did a playback your song the other day. Don't do that to me out. Hmm? Look how me start get back clean and healthy. You no come around me with be blood clot science. Be a science you no come around me with. I have never sick at the end of my life. Eh? Never sick yet. After I no come, me start drop down, me start lose my voice. Me can't sing because uno obia I work. But one thing me can tell you, Miss Angel. We're busy about Ganguli them. May God protect them. You. When God don't beat a blood clot. You. When God don't beat you, Miss Michelle, whatsoever you want in. When God done with you, you are going to see the God where you serve. Because me no walk over here. No. Me just talk facts. I do for you. You think it easy to dip down way down in the barrel and pull up somebody. When Gaza no want to see you. Alliance no want to see you. And your husband fans them no want to see you. Angel, the people them forgive you because of me. And me lose all of my brethren them because of you. My main brethren was Delirance. And me lose it because of you. Me say, listen to me. Me can't do that. Cannot. Khago, she can't change. I use your blood clot use you. I so say so done. You disrespect me. I can't tell you something. I'm going to tell you something. Angel want police, want soldier boy cousin. But then claim say mad. When we go shoot the video up attack them with the bounty picture them. I meet them. And she, me no remember what she do. And me talk to her sister. Say, yo, she a violate still, you know. I don't know whether her sister, how she bring back the argument, but I know, say, she come at the show down at St. Elizabeth. And me lean up. Me and the team. Because my team supposed to be Angel team, you know. But when Angel come with fear, town posse them, then I deal with me out. So the little soldier youth now. And then say man a soldier again can head ship out and then fire him. I'll not call him back. Angel bring him. And me lean up me and Nesbet them. Lean up. So and the youth call say 6-7 now we lean up on the wall. And the youth make so pass and thump everybody fist. And when he reached down to me, stretch out my hand so, and the boy, don't touch me. He go around and touch good on the line. And that's it. Me do the show. I'm watch Angel stay off. And he stay off. And he say, I'm hold my composure. When the show done, we drive go. We are come up. And we tap on the big gas station over when you can't turn up, you come up Spirit that big one after you left out of St. Elizabeth. Me pull off over there, so. And knowing me, how me stay people, me can't keep in on me. So me call Angel, come and me car door, and me say, Angel, why your cousin? Gutters, why your cousin? Come and she touch everybody and heal me. What you said to him? She said, no, me not do nothing to him. Me say, Angel, I am not dumb. I'm a street nigga, Angel. You said something to him. She said, no. Me say, then me not tell your sister Jackie, said this, what you do, and me not like it already. Jackie said it back to you. You said to him, and it making could have disrespect me. She said, no, me not. She said, you want me go for him and make him come heal you. Me say, no. Fuck him. Who is him? You can't disrespect Sky God and think me I go deal back with you. You're mad. Less than a minute, Angel going at the car. And the boy, she said, go apologize to him because why you do that? I thought what me said to you, you should never act on it. Me uncle said to you, did for you play a hypocrite about it. That way, remember me just tell this woman, say, me no want to talk to the youth. Just hold that I know, say, Angel, where? She send the boy and the boy come at the car door, yo, you know me never mean to do what me just do. It a show how Angel don't have no respect for your dog. No respect she not have for you. And nobody at all where she bring come. She not make any deal with me. We buck her up along a IRFM and fear a crew of people. We're supposed to know say, yo, you know a Khago do this and make it possible, dog. None of them not deal with Khago. No time at all. Angel have her clique, her posse. And that me I try tell you. So when the little thing happen, don't a blood clot watch you whisper, me say me I go check my cousin. Don't bring nobody come. And she said, yes, me not bring nobody. And listen to me, we buck her up at Angels. When you go to Angels, Angels, you know. Remember, say, Angel sister, I'm a bridging Jackie, you know, because I love Jackie, you know, that. I don't know if Jackie are going to become blood clot enemy #1 now because them are blood. But me has done so much for Jackie in 1 second. See, so if me and her agree, say don't bring nobody. And she feel if bring somebody, she could have bring Jackie. But me I say me no want bring nobody go over Richmond Estate because I rent their rent if you want 2D over there. Me and you just go down there. And me I say the people them like this kit. So me bring Stingray and Bling Ras. So Angel knows say I fear team that too, you know, dog. My team is Angel team. But Angel team is not Khago team. And that is a recipe of disaster. When we reach down at Ochi, Angel tap me. See Stingray then can't tell her. She call me and say, pull over. As you come off the highway, if you go Senan's Bayside, a bus stop there, one car cock up there. And she said, a person there, I come with me. And me say, and me drive off. And I send her a text. Because when me done with you, me just done with you, you know. Me send her a text and I say, me no think me did tell you, say, you know if you bring nobody. And my family, me I go check. Bam. And Angel text me back and say, listen to me. You have your own team. So me have to have my own team. There you go. It's a bit blood clot thing with Deli Ranks did I say it's true. You feel like you're bigger than blood clot everybody, Angel. You think you spice them. I mean, not disrespect you. Don't disrespect me. Because I hold this for you. As a G, me take all of the disrespect for you. Me go up on the front line go fight for you. So whatsoever you're saying, talk what make me stop talk to you. Don't tell people say the amount of listen to me. You know here angel say me never get dollar for dub plate. The amount of money when me make convince sound man to make cut angel dub. Angel I get the same money as me. $25,000, $30,000 because of Khago. Because of Khago. Angel start getting manly. Angel I say, I'll be a free dub plate my voice. For promotion, and me I say, not underneath my an angel. And me really sit down on TV, I say bad about. Me no want to see it, you know. And me no want to hear. From the moment me see you with blood clot Ganguly, that says all. Because listen to me. The amount of things. Actually, me is not like a foot height them and doctor love them if say receipt. That are between you and Ganguly then, because Ganguly know you not like a bone in a blood clotting. And that me I try to tell you. An idiot all I wanna come take me for. I want you to come, you see the blood clot dancer Lee Scratch Perry, you find us blood clot. That boy come like a Kanye West, then we can't take him for no idiot. Ganguly burn out everybody, man. I don't care what Ganguly want to say. My problem is Angel. I thought me don't know Ganguly. I don't care zero with Ganguly. Ganguly can't say one blood clot thing for me. I make him make up argument. You understand? I meet up talk to Ganguly because he released my song behind my back. That's it, nothing more. Me just give him a ginger. That's it, nothing more. Me don't need to tell no lie. Eh? I don't need to tell no lie. I thought Ganguly now know what me want. A taxi blood like Ganguly a drive it. A taxi Ganguly take. So what we busy about Ganguly? Hello. A taxi Ganguly take. We are busy about Ganguly. Why? What is a Ganguly? I want me having a life Ganguly want. So we don't care about him. You understand? Him have to just know say angel is an enemy. You understand? And me now go act like say boy. Eh? Me now go act like say me sorry for go no strength. Because I thought it was the right thing to do. When you suffer and a struggle in a something and God break you out, I think it was the right thing for you pull up some of your sufferer and to. Hmm? Pull them up. Eh? Angel can't shade me, man. Angel, all you have to do, listen to me. I will take off the blood clot passcode off of my phone and last it. And you have to go last yourself. That's all. That's all. I can put up my hand so and say, do you make me take off the passcode off of my phone and last it. Me just come by internet and say, you know my phone last, me last road a Willow Gate. Me last right a Willow Gate pan the wall. So what they say if I find it? And your blood clot, you never, you're too wicked. You cannot blood clot sit down with Ganguly them and make them mention one bad things. Look the amount of millions me make you make angel. Now you come a blood clot a side round and everywhere you go. You make people know say you tak deal with me because me did a look pussy. Me I look pussy. Eh? You ever see me I look pussy at angel? That is for your next blood clot story. That is for your happy prank. Angel, you know me no you, angel. After me a baby, me not talk to my mother. You know? So there is nothing on planet angel. Whisper at me whole 100. You know? My only regret will be having a life if you don't have a relationship with my mother. So you go and blood clot play with me. You go and play. You show shade and make it look like say. Eh? Listen to me. Aye, sir. As me say, remember, I tell you, say, that son of Bidibad, him a blood clot savior. And I want him to go to school and can hold up in blood clot head, so, and be nice. Here, I want a son who can hold up in head and be comfortable. I now go be the one for draw down more shame and disrespect from being a man's son. We now go do it. You alone can continue do it. I won't be the man, and people are gonna start look for me as a bitch. You hear? And me other girl them are gonna start look for me scared. Don't disrespect me. Don't ever make me look like me and no boy which part if me not get pussy angel. Me not do work. Because listen to me. Any other man who start a deal with you, angel, as a dozen dung hand down. Them have to get pussy. Them have to get all heap of pussy from you. At time. You have to exchange oil. And listen to me. You want make people feel like me a board man, you know. Or you want listen to me. Make up your mind. It's either you make them feel like me is a board man or me is a bull puss. Which part I look pussy for a girl over business. Angel, all me care about is for you use you make some money and you use me make some money. But if you ever accept a blood clot interview, when me done last my blood clot phone, you have to go delete your only fan page. Listen, remember me a picnic to you know. So I am more blood clot picking more than you know, idiot girl. Enough me have you know. Enough picking me have for shame. So ever, I dare blood clot you angel, as God liveth, ever make somebody blood clot put a camera upon you. And you ever out of your blood clot mouth mention one bad things about me. You ever blood clot do it. You ever do it. Ever make it look like a pussy me did a look for you. You know they tell him if don't go party. Ever make it look like me, Ricardo Macaska blood clot girl did a look pussy for you. If me did blood clot want you the upstairs right now. Me didn't want you. You would have pack up your blood clot things amount of people rent house and up yourself. You would have there. If me did want you, pan that level there. Not like you know want clean blood clot woman, but your mouth and your attitude make no man know want you. Your mouth and your attitude make no sensible man in their own blood clot mind would never take you up to be their woman. None. Because you want to run wrestle with man. You want to run wrestle with man and act like a blood clot man. And like you independent blood. You carry the blood clot pendant and come through Bunty and Beanie and still in a blood clot rent house. Hey, Angel, don't make me have to deal with the wicked. You better don't blood clot accept a next interview and talk about me. Because if you think this a footer hype them, which part I go talk about? Say, no, sir, me have in file, Angel. Listen to me. You better be a blood clot self. Because me I go sleep this tonight and come for blood clot table. He should have dead with blood clot Batman Ganguly. Hmm? Hmm? He should have dead with Ganguly. Because he not like Ganguly. He should not. So from the moment you can sit down with somebody else who's part of Slaughter Cargo, you become any blood clot me. Hello? There, mama. Yes, miss. Thanks, miss. Thanks, miss. Yes, miss. Yes, miss. Me know, me know, man. But you see the music industry, miss? This is what they use and kill artists' career. You see, when the people them only run with one side, the motive shift to both sides against you. Did you understand what I just said a while ago? When the motive run one side, it end up shift to both sides. If you feel like you're too big for somebody, try defame your character, because this music industry run off a character. And for years they use it and bring me down. Years they use it. If me, if make this woman a spread propaganda like say, a catches me, I look for her, make she stop deal with me, and she not telling people the truth. Because she has said to people, enough people say to me, I am saying, remember you're a big woman, I cry to the people them to help you, And the people them start help you, Hmm? Miss, Miss, can I tell you something? Angel is a female, and female come with their own set of problem them. So there's no female where go come around you when you and them now go. If you is a man where nah look crutches, you and them a go back and forth, But if a catches you look, you just allow them, make them do what them a do. Me have Angel, I say, yo, me respect the lady, yeah? You understand? And me I go help her because I been here. So me start out. But she have her yeah, all right, let me tell you. 'Cause when you talk, she now come and not bring things for you. That I want. So she good power side. But you see that industry, anything forget the fear, mama. Anything. Once you and them not good today, anything, angel not for their own. Nobody will have anything bad for say nothing about Khago. Listen to me. Because me still a whole of fear in the bargain. Eh? Listen to me. Me nah go on TV with that the man there make Khago see me because the amount of things when me say about him to Khago. You know, listen, I care zero where that the boy they want to say because him and nobody. Him and nobody in the music. You understand? So me nah even look for him. You understand? Them can say what they want to say. Cause listen to me. Jamaica nah accept them. Then they too long. Him used to pirate bounty, but bounty artist and he no boss. Any artist a pirate bounty and no boss, can't boss. See? And Angel now, me, Batfishy, 100. I mean, I try to tell you, hundreds of millions put on the board for me and Angel, Me na, mama, can I tell you something? Me a demand Angel come around me and partly I get $1 million for your show, Miss people don't understand. Eh? Eh? Miss, no, me just me nah do that. Me just wake up this morning and I get as me tell you, if you don't, because this is what they use to kill your career, Then get the big TV them. No, Jesus have to stoop down to our level so we can understand. Though you know, listen to me, you know, I am telling you how music work. Certain things, you know where they go? Upon the Tapman platform. They go upon the Tapman platform to make sure that the world can see it. Then you don't have nothing to counteract what them say. The one side become two side. They don't know what kind of side it become a landslide. You start seeing no sound man now and cut no dub with you. Then you have to make the people she not do me nothing away from this where she just this is what she do. Me about 100% for you. If me and you even talk right now, me want you see what you do. Because keep me things silent. See? If anything where people ask about me, keep it same way. No man, me and Khago na their music we do. Don't ever switch your thing and make people think say boy, I true me now get no pussy from you. Make your top come on. Why you make people feel that? See? And you know say then a TV she depend she one next artist I bring me down, you know. TV, you know, how you have to do that? So, all right. Them might say she dead there, but she hungry at show a little tiny shade. Oh, you fit go there with one man. Sit down side of him, 100% we are disrespect Khago. I mean, a co-sign that. Not true. So, I don't care about that guy because him a iron boss. Him all iron balloon where I look at boss. I don't care about me attack boy. Yo, when me give 100%. Me can tell you something. You cannot help none of them female. You have to leave them alone. Them female, please leave them alone. Leave them alone in the music. No, you don't forgive people, man. You left that to God. God alone can forgive. Mm. Mm. All right, now watch the face, yeah, mama. All right. Me just put out a new one name. I tried here, so update so wonderful. All right, miss. All right, love you, miss. Mwah. These are the type of things we give you strength when you find out, say, it's not every bush eat rabbit. I know every bush eat rabbit. You know, listen to me. You cannot nice halfway. You can't nice halfway. I rather Ganguly more than Angel. Because Ganguly are 100% pussy wall. So me and Ganguly, in come to my studio, me and him never go out of my gate yet. Me still see the studio because I know this guy 100% fussy man. You understand? So I don't care about him. That guy, me don't know about him. Unless an angel, unless an angel I go open for your phone. Because angel you can last for your phone too, you know. It difference angel if you last your phone, it a go put me on top. If you last your phone and take off your password and last your phone, it a go put me on top. But if me last my own, I have a blood clot will look your head. Last your own. All my son them have to say, but blood clot, daddy, me never know say you're a quarter freak. Yes. You're a quarter freak, you're not full freak, but Angela play with me. Now I want you. Don't you ramp the fuck with me. You understand? And who know code, know code. If you lost your phone, all the girl them are going to say, boy, Khago, I saw you the ton. You hear? All the girl them are going to say, Khago, me never know I saw you fire. You understand? So, don't play with me. You know, sit down with no waste, man. Every time with up on live, me have to kick your blood clot foot. Say, don't disrespect me, man. As soon as the people them want, me have to kick your foot because you is disrespectful. You understand? How if somebody used to do good for you to just allow that, man. Allow that. I know, say, yo, people see what Khago do for me. So how can I turn it back? He can't turn back, you know. He can't turn back. So, you know, make no sense. Remember, me don't know nothing more about you after a while we are par in the music. You understand? So not disrespect me. Because me I hold you up. I hold you up 100,000%. Yo, forget about this. Cause I don't want people lose half of me. But not try make you look like me and no rape a bull more. Nobody try that. You understand? Nobody make you look like say, one girl walk out do some music with Khago and she no run it buff. Me nah go hook up one rhythm. You know that type of joke. You're talking a blood clot code. Hey, girl, better you come out and come say, Khago stiff up in khaki and send it coming on your phone. Yeah. Better you say me give you one Joshy. No ramp with me. You hear? You come and make your blood clot look like. Then if me want pussy and me already work. And me a turn you in a millionaire. And other man I go inherit and me want look like pussy. So what if you give me some? Eh? The young blood clot thing you can say. He tiff up in khaki and he said he coming on my phone. And he always a saying khaki little lie. Eh, you can't say it. I care zero. God. You said me tip up my cocky and said you come in on your phone. And your phone did weigh £25. Now we weigh around £35. Cause balls heavy like a iron. With Joe in it. And I did want your release. Leave me alone. Cause tomorrow I won't be talking like this. You try to tell you. I won't be talking like this tomorrow. Ever do one more blood clot interview and talking a code for me? And blood clots. You think we talking a code? I keep respect. I make respect go and do. God. Eh? You better run go back over blood clot entertainment reporter. So you know, can't say me think what me did say because you know say I'm mad people sitting around put on. Me do too much, me too nice to you. Your style me in a code. Listen to me. The worst human being, a hypocrite. God said hypocrite can't see my face. All I want to come around want to misuse me. Take advantage of me. Every other style where you know that run with me. You can't run it with Dasika. You can't run it with Shibney. All I want to come just not feel like me and nobody. So make with this him. Oh, you mean that's why we tell us a ginger be rate because ginger turn out in tan. Ginger bad boy, in turn out in tan. Ginger used to come up with studio, but know say ginger no nobody. He come like a me. But what in a blood that ginger mind you gonna know. He not play no hypocrite with you. So when Ginger released me song, I did not send it come give me and release the beat first. Me vex about it. Gangoli was there and Gangoli this Ginger and bribe me. I see him do the same thing. I'm top talk to him. That's it. Me don't know nothing more about Gangoli. Why do I want me to tell lie on the guy? No. That was just that. So whatsoever you see them I say no. Are the rich guy where the whole of them feel like say Khago now no drugs money I spend. Me could work with that man. And I him did I spend pan Khago. Spend pan what? Me invite him as a producer. And start game producer and big him up as producer and invite him in the music. So no go on man and leave me alone. Fuck you not follow me up sir. You don't know me a junk me a dog shit. Me I don't know nobody. What me a be in the topic for? You don't hear me a talk about you know? Oh, you say me bad mind. Oh, you don't have nothing. People bad mind on them. Me never see this. Mother Road. What I go answer? Yeah. Sure, boy. Why be I tell her? I saw. Commercial break. That's your word. That's your word, my boss. Listen what I say. It is not. Listen to me, ladies. Listen to me. Listen to me. Don't play with me when me have so much for lose, yeah? I have a lot to lose. Me have my reputation in high street for lose right now. The people them a look up to me. Don't try demolish me thing. Hello. Blessings, blessings. Yeah, man, you see me have trouble them man and them you see go cock up an interview a style me man. Alright, now see alright. Oh. Alright, that's alright, man. Alright, just link when we jump off our life, car. Yeah, man. But who fit tell them to behave themselves. Alright, tell them to behave themselves. Alright. Alright, that's alright. Alright, that's alright, my boss. You see how people say it is fine for people can get in there 100% about you. But when you ready to match their energy, people start to say, you know, for Perlang. What is Perlang? Then do for them yesterday or day before yesterday and me I do for me today. Them go do an interview and me I do a interview. I me I do a out the view. You understand? Me can't make people look for me. You know the amount of female artists start to link me. Want me produce them. And if you want a woman that look for that, I try make you look like say, pussy have to run. Pussy have to run else I can't see Khago talk a phone. No, sir. Thing where them can't tell you, listen to me. One little girl come from St. Mary the other day. And she bad. I ask him, as long as she there, me not come in the studio. She don't see me. You did you have just say, one girl come from St. Mary, my brethren. Send her come to come do some music. And as long as she there, me no look on her. Me no come in the studio. Me stay upstairs. Because I won't make, she said, me child, me fuck her. And show me know how for me name is if you call. See that? And she vex. Because she not see me. No. She come for spend 1 weekend. I have spend 1 week. Me have to call my brethren and tell him, say, no, you have to tell her to leave. Me ready to start use back my studio now. This is me. I am a weird person. No girl can drop pussy allegation for me. Don't you talk sideways. I make people think that. You know the amount of man out there who part of Chicago. Me and my daughter, me that want bring her. Or me and my niece, me that want because me see what you do for Angel. Me see what you do for her. Me not look past she my youth. And I saw me stay dog. Me I said dog, me want can use me studio. She come for 1 weekend and it there 1 week. Dog, what we not do dog? Me and no girl is my youth. Bring me a scan blood clot tell you. Me understand. Listen to me. Anybody where you see around me and you see they now come back, me can tell you one thing. Youth and green. Oh, no, see, your daddy me call me say youth and green, though. Father, oh, no know why me and me say youth and green not attack? I don't know. Me I go speculate. Me say youth and green that the one that me do the most for, as a man. Cause I have Mr. Youth and Green as my legend, which part used to give me dub plate, don't even know me as a youth when me I come a town. I look dub for sound of St. Elizabeth. So me have him as a man, whisper, me can't make him struggle and suffer once he's around me. Listen again, because we just attack. I will never disrespect Youth and Green, but me just attack. You see, me is a man, me keep respect because Youth and Green deserve to respect. He's a legend and he do something for me without even knowing me. Then time me a liquor youth in Chicago. And me used to go in an Exodus go beg dub. And he's not a man from the in a vice box and you push the paper and just vice for you. Do you know why Mr. Youth and Green I'm in attack? Speculate, me I go speculate it because I will never vex with that man. Listen. I go do the labor right show them. Me and Angel go do a labor right show. And when me come back again, same Sunday me come up, me get one for the Monday at St. Elizabeth. And me I say, yo, me tell the man to give Angel X, give me X. And when Mr. Youth and Green come, me say me I go call back the man and say if he can line up 150 or so for Mr. Youth and. When me tell Mr. Youth and say, we are going to mash up the next labor right show ya, Mr. Youth and Green said to me, say, listen to me. I know how for him politics go. That's it. After that, me not see about my daddy. I cannot tell you, say, this away. Me do him or that. Else I lie me I go tell upon him. But all me know, say, Mr. Youth and Green used to come a court with me. For the girl who say me back gun pan her dog. And Mr. Youth and Green is the one where drop her in a Mandeville when she asks me to carry her home. And I say, me nah go with you. And Mr. Youth and Green say, me will carry her home for you. So Mr. Youth and Green is there as one of the witness. Not in a me room and she say me back gun pan her, but witness outside to say, I mean, carry, would never know about no gun. And this week, me fi go court. And me tell Stingray, say, me no know what Youth and Green vex with me for. But you can call him and tell him, say, the lawyer say if he still can come a court with me. Youth and say, nah, come on a court with me. So me fi go to prison. I saw for my friend them deal with me, youth. This is how my friend them deal with me. And Youth and Green, come, yes, sir. Nah jive. Nah jive, youth. A taxi and me have to bring him down at night time. And he say have half a car money, youth. And me sit down and struggle with Mr. Youth and vice dub, vice dub, vice dub. And me and him go around the road so and buy my car. And you vex with me for politics. All of the man them come around me, yo, jealous dog. Jealous, yo. 2 days we drive the car, go on for a place. The car transmission lick out, yo. Car can't drive again. I mean, make some bumps. I mean, sing the plate. The car people, them say they might give 100 and something thousand. They might give half. And the transmission half is 200,000. I mean, sing the plate. Both me and him. And I say, come. I will drive with my bus. Go buy the transmission of Christiana Youth. And when we come back downtown there, so the transmission of the wrong one. And I have to drive back my bus, go to town again, go back to Christiana again, you go get the right one. And Mr. Youth and Green say me fi blood clot prison me fi go. Prison me fi go. Prison me fi go, youth. All because of PNP and JLP. Mr. Youth and me have say, I'm a daddy. And Angel can't tell us that I no lie. You hear, brother? Mr. Youth and Green, brother, if Mr. Youth and want a kidney right now, I'll say it again. The same exact thing where Alazid, where Ginger do to me. It Alazid and Ganguli do. The two of them come together and release their song behind my back. Alazid the same, I'm my brother youth. So me just block all of them. They don't do me nothing else. But guess what now? Sunfest Agwan, the world I request Khago Angel. Me I produce my second rhythm. We're supposed to be an undercover thing. Me premiere for me an Angel song. Gangoli and Alozia them couldn't wait. So them go release them demo. And that then do. And me I say, Alozia, we are my brother. Me have Alozia as my brother, yo. And that Alozia do, you know, do nothing else. I me just block him. Them show me a country youth come and take advantage of me. And none of them don't like to know say, yo, and me gotta give the liquor producing run. Rate them or rate me. But Alexia the youth, Desire now. They around me. I St. Elizabeth. Desire. A Escaliva. Desire are the first artist me know. First artist me know is Desire boy. What Escaliva you talk about? Why youth near grade come check me? And he say, man, Desire part. Me say, make Desire come stay around me. And him bring him come and me and say, Desire, you need a car. Me I sing some dub plate for you. That's a car hold one little car for you and 350 or 400,000. So Desire, they around me for maybe a year and a dog. But as me say again, remember, everybody have me say me a madman. Nobody no rate me. Everybody just use me. So this is what happened me I know. Me I tell you, because since me attack, me I tell you everything what they do to me. And I will never go overboard and tell one lie on them. Desire try fuck major woman. Remember Desire a major woman as so. Major Whiteley as so. So here what boy you know. Me always I tell Major say, stop, make your woman close to Desire like that. If she cook, she will act like she want to share him the bigger plate. She will take up in clothes, wash. Me said, Major, make the man wash in clothes himself. So me and Major now, and tell we just have a 7 series, I drive good on a centi. Major woman call him. I said, Desire, I try fuck him. Listen to that. That is it, you know. And Major now with they and Major and him not really talk. So that's how you go and come and I stood up at St. Elizabeth. But me and Major close. So that's why now really come in the studio. So me go do one song and say, then we poison you and then thing there. And that's why I just pack him bag and cut. I can't say one more thing. I can't. That's why a good youth can't say, boy, me put up this so at Desert TV. The two of them link up back now. Major and Desert link up back. Here what Major, here what Desert tell Major say, and me tell him for fucking woman. God. So when Desert if he come a quote, Desert now come. Then some if you go to prison out. Tell me, I tell you. They say if you go to prison. So none of them come out there and rate you out. They come and look for me as a little youth and say, boy, me get rich already. And rare. So no, brother, listen to me. Sting ready up on the blood clot live and you can tell you, if me go to KFC right now and I buy a 3-piece, a 3, me buy for me, now buy him 2. You hear, brother? Major Whiteley now, me and him in and out because you know, say, through my breeding stepdaughter, and they sit there, so it kind of, that a different family sitting, you understand? Me son no ask me about Gaza Kim now. Me say me never want to talk because Gaza Kim, because all I know have me up say me a pussy. You know see Gaza Kim come and in a one weekend me make partly $750,000 for Gaza Kim. One blood that weekend. Me attack. You hear? You know see me make it on the live. But I know 550,000. Listen man. Come here tell you the straight to the one whole heap of show now start to come. Me start to push out to get Gaza Kim to show them. And the show them a come. Where some promoters say, boy, me will give you 14,000, 15,000 for you and Gaza Kim. Count half hundreds of thousands put in a Gaza Kim hand. Listen, don't play money and 2 show money on the weekend. Plus, 3 show Gaza Kim get and a my show I me give them. When they did that on the live, one man call me. And I say, yo, me don't do nothing at all, man. And he must say, man, little hero, them have a show. And I say, and I think Gaza Kim 100,000. My show. One next lady, they over England. I said, boy, Khago, be have one thing with spot me a keep, you know. And true, Manchester never booked me yet. So me say, no, me not do no show, but me have Gaza Kim. Bam. 150,000 for Gaza Kim, that's so again. One next man called me for one thing with a St. Elizabeth and when me ask him who the pan it. That a 250 she gone. Who the pan it. He said, boy, you know, say, a lad now. So me say, no, such a lad, me know, say, that will set me up and then will disrespect me. One next 100,000. That a 250,000. Plus the dub plate then. The big show them start coming now, people. Listen to me now, you know. Gaza Kim Uncle send me one text. Me have a text on my phone. She don't need me as a manager again. She have to do her own thing herself. That's it. Nothing more. Did you just say a while ago? She texts me, not even call. She sent me a text. She don't need me to assist her anymore. Because she have to do her own thing herself. I look pan and I said, that is the same blood clot reason why cartel have to beat you. That are the reason why you get the Gaza beaten there. You're ungrateful. That's it. She not do me nothing more. You know me not tell no lie on them. Lisa hype now. Lisa Hype bring gunman come on my yard. And I cut her off. That's it, not more. Jaja, nothing more. Lisa Hype bring gunman come on my yard. The youth come on pan the live and as in Guatown police kill him. Lisa Hype, nothing more. That do me not. That's what Lisa Hype do. I remember the youth. I never sure with all the Matica run down police. I mean, I say, Lisa, how you bring them man to come a Khago yard? You come a Khago yard, you don't need to come. So that, yes, that's what happened. Lisa not do me nothing. I can't tell her who to par with neither. Yes, so when people think say, me not do them nothing. People, listen to me. I was so happy to see all of them come check me. I tap me off the top. Me off the top. Did you hear me say? She took up my phone. Did you hear me ever say one of them thief nothing from me? None of them nothing. You hear what me I say? All of them jealous when they come and come see mansion and see me have all the 7 series. Me bus part there so that Terry Linen is the worst one. Millions in a 1 week. Me make $2.5 get Terry Linen and he never give me $1. He say me grudge him for car. The engineer there and you remember the big live of me and Terry Linen do? Work start coming like a sun. And my head start at me because me I sing Terry Linen song them and they hard to sing. So when I take in the high note there and I sing in song them more than I remember. Me go hold me say me I go hold 1 hour sleep. Terry Linen cut the dub them behind my backyard and send the money to Caan and St. Elizabeth. And when he gone, the engineer I say, yo, Khago, what that? I link Terry Linen about it. And Terry Linen vex and making woman start call me or diss me because he have one soldier woman and she a check me. Desire boy can't tell you because Desire she call. Khago fi know say I'm not Francine this and rare. I'm just done with Terry Linen. That's it. What more can I say? Me and Terry Linen no par. Me don't know nothing more about him to tell life on him. But all me can tell you, Terry Linen said nobody never make me make so much money. Yet. Never. Never. So if you know I look for me if you tell a lie on them. No. Like a liar. And because they don't respect me. So, and through me is a boy when me not go road, so they can get the scandal me to illiterate people behind me back, dog. And people just vex with you and have your... Hello? Good morning. Go cuz? Yeah. Yes, miss. Me know. Thanks, miss. Thanks, miss. Thanks.